Hello, welcome to Software Designs. Today we'll be teaching you how to design a letterheaded paper for a real estate company. This is a real estate letterhead design, and here is the logo. The company logo is Be Blessed Real Estate. Copy the logo from here. Then open a new artboard. You can select your paper size from here, or you can just go ahead and click OK. Then once it's open here, come here, click on A4, which is the normal letterheaded paper size. Come to the rectangle here, select it to fit the artboard of your design, the working area. Press P for it to fit very well. And then paste your logo or any logo you have copied. Then drag it smaller, make it smaller to attest to the center. And then from here, the color brand, that is the logo brand, is this deep sky blue. It's a deep kind of blue. This blue here, and then this black. And then select the rectangle here. Give it that same color by using your color picker tool here. Come here, select the tool, the color here, pour here, and then shift it back a bit. Select, right click on the rectangle, click on convert to curve, then readjust at this point. Remove the default, and then from here you can actually make it both sides. Then click on mirror here, bring it, let's drop it by the other side. The logo will be here, and then we want to eliminate this part of from here back. We want to eliminate this, so let's power click the object inside of. We'll click here, then click on object, click on place inside, then click here. We have successfully power click inside, and then we'll have to write the name of the organization from here at this point. Then come select Be Blessed from here, duplicate and bring it. Then click on Be Blessed, give it a white color because it's not showing very well, and then delete this part here. Then write Be Blessed Real Estate. Make it smaller to fit, readjust it, fit here at this point. Copy this logo, duplicate it in the middle here, drag it to make it bigger. Our essence of this is to make it transparent in the background. Click on the transparency tool here, then drag in. Then there's a transparency fill here. We forgot to remove the outline here. Remove it gently, and then what is missing here is at this point the demarcation for the write-up. Anytime you want to serve a letter to any organization or create an awareness for the general public, then select here, centralize it. The main artboard, remember to remove the outline as well. It's very important to make your work sleek and readable. And then duplicate this, change it to black. Then you continue with the details of the organization. For example, their phone number here. Select it, then write the phone number. Telephone number, which could be 090 10 21 9 7 80, and then you try to space it a bit, 9, that's it. Then drag it. The email, put the email details, write the email, which is Be Blessed. Be Blessed 2024 at gmail.com. Then from here, select it like this, and then give it this color to blend with the colors of the design. Select here, and then as you can see from here and this juncture, enable it to be a bit bigger so that it can be readable when printed, basically for printable use and for also soft copy. From here you can also serve data in soft copy format as well. This is just a simple letterheaded design for your company you can make and serve to your client. You can take it to bank or anywhere for any official purpose. Thank you, and subscribe to Software Design for more updates.